Hey guys, for today's video, we're going to make art activity. Here's what you need. Okay, first we need a circle, like everything circle that you have there. Like I'm using my alcohol bottle and the cover of our tin can for Sophie's pony. And here we go. While doing this, I allow Sophie to do her activity, so she know how to do it by herself. I just put a glue on the paper and Sophie will do the rest. I'm so happy that Sophie is so excited to do this, and that's why I'm helping her to finish her art activity, and then after that I will take her a photo and send it to her teacher. Okay guys, so we're going to have this art or DIY or something like how to do this or how to style this, like more on DIY and more on handmade work, and I hope you like it. So we're going to do that every Thursday like we did today. So I hope that you support our content every day. So that is much appreciated, and thank you in advance. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, our castle, QueenLaine, your mommy queen of multitasking. And also don't forget to like, comment, share to your friends and families, and don't forget the notification bell to get you updated whenever we upload more new videos every day. Thank you. Just keep on watching.